everyone, in the Star Trek universe, the new Cooperative is not widely recognized. There might be confusion with the Borg Cooperative, a faction of liberated Borg drones seeking to live cooperatively and independently from the Borg Collective. What I want to know is what happened to them after that one episode in Voyager, and what are the chances of them becoming a dominant power. In the Voyager series, we're introduced to a group of Borg that were severed from the Collective by electrokinetic storm. Because of the storm, the surviving Borg drones had to escape from the damaged cube to a nearby planet. Once the 80,000 drones landed on the planet, it didn't take long for infighting to start and the formation of different factions to be created, such as the Cooperative. The members of this faction used the Borg technology to relink their brains to heal themselves and to work together. The device that relinked their faction was an air transponder, which was only powerful enough to link small groups, but was not strong enough to link all the individuals that were stranded on the planet. By 2373, the Cooperative was pleading with the Voyager crew to help them get access to the cube to link all the divided Borg factions into one. Janeway was unsure about the idea. The first issue was forcing all the individuals to join a new collective without their permission, and there was also a risk of creating a new collective which could become their enemy down the road. Before facing their immediate defeat by the other factions, the Cooperative took over Commander Chakotay's body to give them access to the cube to link all the Borg on the planet as one. This new collective allowed their members to keep some of their individuality and placed the rule not to force others to join them. Of course, this rule was not always followed, since at the beginning of their creation they did force their enemies on the planet to join them. Since that one episode in Voyager, there hasn't been any additional canon information, so we don't know if they survived the multiple threats within their quadrant. In Star Trek Online, they did continue their story and contain additional information which could lead to a powerful but peaceful collective within the Delta Quadrant. In the year 2372, the population of the Cooperative was only 80,000, but they slowly started to grow after liberating other drones from the Borg in hopes that they would join their collective. Of course, if the drones decided not to join them, they would be free to leave. In 2410, the Klingon Imperial Intelligence investigated the threat of the new Cooperative, since the Klingon Defense Force operations started to rise in that quadrant. Their intelligence agency came to the conclusion that even though the new collective does have Borg technology, they possess little to no threat to the Klingon Empire due to their small population and lack of ships. Based on the Klingon information, the new Cooperative is still weak, and there's a very small possibility that they will become a powerful faction within their quadrant anytime soon, unless they're able to take control of a Borg fleet. The weaker the Borg Collective gets, the stronger the Cooperative becomes. What's your thoughts on the new Cooperative, and do you think they'll be able to grow into a powerful force in the future? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification button to keep yourself updated with my channel. For more sci-fi content, then please check out these other two videos and my socials. Thank you for watching Utopian Broadcast, and I'll see you next time on my channel. Thank you.